Hey kids! Let's color a fun animal today. Are you ready? I'm Kiki. Do you know what this picture is? Yes, this is a picture of a duck. What color do you think the duck is? Right, yellow. Let's color the duck. Now let's color the beak, okay? What color is a duck's beak? Brown, right? Let's color it now. Finished! Now let's color the hat blue. Finished! And we color the ribbon red. Wow, that's great! And we color the clouds blue. Perfect! And we color the water a lighter blue. It's starting to look beautiful. We color the sky with pastel colors. Finished! We need to add sun to make it look interesting. Let's use yellow, okay? The image is finished. Yay! We're done coloring today. Our colors are so pretty. Awesome! Come on, tomorrow we will color even more exciting pictures. Don't forget, friends! Click like button if you like coloring. Subscribe now so you don't miss any more exciting videos. Invite your friends and family too. See you. Bye-bye.